I don't have that, so I can put, well, it says 150, so I'm sure it'll hold like 300 pounds. Hey guys, what's up? It's Ben with HRG TV, and today we're actually not doing dumb stuff or talking about dumb stuff. We're doing cool stuff. The Bronco has been through a lot in the last couple of weeks, as you'll see in this clip right here. But basically, I just wanted to show it some love and had a bunch of Ford Pass points saved up, and I decided to spend them on roof rails. So in today's video, we're going to unbox the roof rails. They're designated as the off-road roof rails, whatever that means. And we're going to do the install and see how they look. Those look pretty good. It comes with instructions. So the crossbars are actually labeled front. This one's front crossbar forward. If you just glance at it, you can tell right away the front one's actually a little bit wider. It's a little narrower in the back than it is the front. So you wouldn't be able to put these on wrong, but it's nice that they put that there just so that when you set them up there, you know which one's which. First impressions, I mean, you can tell right away that this is a quality piece. It feels really heavy, really solid. And the fitment on the car is really, really snug. I gotta say, it's a really good fit. Look how tight that is. And I think this is actually metal right here. I don't think this is plastic. It feels really solid. So first thing you wanna do, they give you this handy dandy little tool. And if you're like me, you don't wanna scratch your paint, so I just put a little piece of cloth to protect this black roof. But basically, you're gonna take these two screws and loosen them all the way up. And that allows the little clamps to come all the way loose where you can get them underneath the bottom of the rails. So once you have them in place, you just want to slide these up. And there's a little slot. If you can see it in the video, there's a little slot right there. And that's what this little clamp lines up to. It's that little slot. So when you get those lined up, just pull it up in position, and then you'll tighten this screw back down. You have to kind of, adjust this little bracket until you can get the threads to line up in this little hole. But once you can look down in here and see where the bolt is supposed to go, and then you can start the bolt by hand and then just tighten it up ever so carefully with the tool they provide. All right, once it's in position, you'll see that this little clamp fits nice and flush. And that's pretty much it. It's very, very easy install. I probably spent maybe 10 minutes, and that includes opening up the box. So super cool look, and I can't wait to throw some junk up here. Basically, very high quality piece. I love the look. It should hold a lot of weight. It says maximum weight capacity of 150 without the panoramic roof, and 100 if you have the panoramic roof option. So I don't have that, so I can put, well, it says 150, so I'm sure it'll hold like 300 pounds. All right, guys, I appreciate you sticking around to the end on this video. And if you like this video, definitely hit the like button. If not, then write a comment and tell me what I can do better. If you're interested in a lift kit for the old Bronco Sport, we do have them at hrgengineering.com. We have them for all trim levels. It is a 1.5-inch lift kit, so not a really big lift kit. It's actually 1 1/4 for the Badlands because they're already lifted from the factory. But it's definitely worth doing because you get the extra ground clearance, and it makes it look better, in my opinion, with the bigger tires. So check that out, hrgengineering.com, and I will see you guys in the next one. Why does it always end this way?